fan doesn't come on. It comes on sometimes, but not all the time. Blower motor is right here, underneath this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. That's the view from the bottom. So this here, this is the blower motor behind this plate here. So there's 3 screws holding this plate, 1, 2, and 3. We gotta disconnect this here. So let's go ahead and disconnect it. Just put something in there, and then this will come right out. So you take out the blower motor screws. And there we go. Go ahead and put this in. Make sure the wire is lined up with this. Clip back on, the one we took out. Remember, they're all the same screws. All of these screws are the same except that one is a bit different. Okay, test it. Perfect. All done. Blower motor is in. Let's start the car.